நிஜமாவே. என்ன டாபிக் அப்படி பெருசா இன்ட்ரெஸ்டிங் சொல்றீங்க அப்படின்னு பார்த்தோன்னா, we are going to see about marketing feasibility. Okay, marketing is a most important thing when you talk about the sales of a product, right? ஸோ இப்போ வந்து நீ எந்த ப்ராடக்ட்டை நீ வந்து செலக்ட் பண்ணணும் அப்படின்னா,
This call is now
purely
being
depends
recorded.
on the marketing efficiency of that particular product. See, brand value, yes, it has its value, but at the same time, how far the company is marketing its product, okay, how far the company is able to create awareness about the product among the customers. Okay, though Honda City, if you talk about the car segment, okay, if you talk about the car segment, though Honda City has a very good goodwill among the customer, it needs some kind of advertisement. It has to tell about its pros and cons to the customers. Of course, they won't tell about the disadvantages of the product, but at the same time, it has to keep registering about their brand name among the people in the market. Okay, if they don't do it so, then people will tend to forget about the market. Just before I told you, right? So if you don't show your face, then we'll also forget about your face, and I don't even forget giving you marks, right? See, அப்படிலாம் நீங்க பண்ண முடியாது. நீங்க மார்க் கொடுத்துதான் ஆகணும் நீங்க சொல்லுவீங்க, அது கரெக்ட். பட் யார் இந்த பையன், இவன் வந்து ஆன்சர் பண்ற பையனா இருந்தா I'll consider, I'll give them more, right? See, if you don't answer, that also I'll consider. I will not give them mark. If you don't even show your face, that also I'll consider, right? So it depends upon how well you are in creating your impression, right? So let's go back to the topic. I'm talking about the everyone switch on your camera. I can see only Ushma today. Ushmaக்கு மாத்திரம் அந்த அட்வைஸ் இல்ல. Ushma is not my target today. My target is all students, always. Okay, Ushma பேர் சொன்னதுனால உஷ்மாக்கே எல்லா அட்வைஸும் கிடையாது. It's not impact about the product among the customers. Okay, so if you take car segment, I was telling you about the car segment. இப்போ Honda City அப்படிங்கிறது ஒரு well known brand name, right? ஈவன் நீ அதுக்குள்ள போனாலும் ஹோண்டா சிட்டி அப்படிங்கிறது வந்து ஒரு செடான் டைப் கார் இல்லையா? அதுலயே வந்து யூ ஹாவ் எஸ்யூவி டைப், மினி எஸ்யூவின்னு இருக்கு, and there are so many variants you can find it. See, I'm not very familiar about the names and the variants and the technology, all that. I'm just giving you rough idea. Okay, so it is like if you take the sedan type, it's a very popular one. It's a good year 2021 la பாத்தீங்கன்னா டாப் செல்லிங் கார்ஸ்ல வந்து நம்பர் 1 இல்லைன்னா வந்து டாப் சேஃப்டி மெஷர்ஸ் எந்த கார்ல வந்து அதிகமா இருக்கு, விச் கார் இஸ் சோ சேஃப் டு டிராவல் அப்படின்றது நீங்க ஹிந்து பேப்பர்ல பாத்தீங்கன்னா it has a very good name. Top listல வந்து you can find a Honda City name. Okay, so if you go to that showroom, that salesperson will give you all those details. See, this sedan type is look is so good, and they have improvised the look, the sports look you can see at the front, and you can find 6 airbags in the car, and the sedan used in the car. So you'll get to know about all those details when you go to the show. So who's giving all those details? It is the salesperson. Okay, the marketing person will give you all those details about the product. Am I right? Wait a minute, sorry. Other branded car. Okay, if you go to Hyundai showroom, where if you want to buy a car in Hyundai, where you can see so many products, so many cars. Like you can find a mini SUV and the SUV model cars. You can find Creta over there, right? So where the salesperson or the marketing person will explain you the features are there in the product. So compared to sedan, like what advantage you have in buying SUV type car, right? So what are the advantages you have? like what are all the special features you have inside the car. Like if you compare this Honda City sedan type cars with SUV, so in SUV cars you can find more space um, inside the car, right? So it has a better view compared to sedan type. You in SUV you can find, you can have better view because you yourself will sit you know bigger higher position, right? Seats and all உனக்கு டயர் சைஸே ரொம்ப பெருசா இருக்கும். ஸோ அந்த கார்ல உட்காண்டாவே யூ கேன் ஃபீல் தட் லைக் யூ ஆர் சிட்டிங் ஆன் ஒரு ஒரு ஹைட்ல நீங்க உட்கார்ந்து இருக்கிறது உனக்கு தெரியும். யூ கேன் ஹாவ் அ பெட்டர் வியூ ஆன் ரோட் அண்ட் யூல் ஹாவ் ஆம்பிள் அதர் ஃபீச்சர்ஸ் கம்பேர்ட் டு அதர் கார்ஸ். கிரெட்டால என்னென்னலாம் ஃபீச்சர்ஸ் இருக்கு சொல்லு பார்க்கலாம். யாருக்கு தெரியும்? யாருக்கு தெரியும் கிரெட்டாவை பத்தி? Explain about the product and they try to create some impact about the product. See, but if you, even if you go to Honda City, though it has more way back, or they have so much of drawback compared to Creta or compared to other SUV type, they don't talk about it. As a salesperson, they feel high about their product and they want to create some positive impact about the product to the customers, right? See, இப்போ நாம் வந்து when I look at Honda City, yes, Honda City has its good value, okay, but when you go to other SUV type, you don't think about the Honda City at all, right? Because it is lacking with so many features, right? See, the space itself is not enough. See, it is charging 18 lakhs rupees, but the same 18 lakhs rupees you can buy some SUV type car where it has more space inside the car and it has more features. As I told, you have internet connected inside the car and you have full roof, open roof and the mirror roof கொடுத்திருப்பாங்க. And then you have so many features and ventilated seating facility, all that you can find in other SUVs like Creta and Kia and MG Hector. These features are missing badly in Honda City, right? But that salesperson will tell you in such a way that this product is ultimately has its goodwill and it is top one listed in the Hindu, and it has all the safety features. See, you cannot find Honda City in any highways. See, inside a city, if you want to travel from one place to another place, sedan type for a small family Honda City is well and good. But if you go to, if you want to travel uh, out of station, okay, if you go to some other city, then it requires you to travel for a long time. In that case, Honda City is not a suitable one, but they don't openly tell about that point to you because they don't want to create some bad impact about the product in your mind, right? So the salesperson will play a major role in creating the impression about the product. That is what I meant. Okay, so everyone switch on your camera. Switch on your camera. I couldn't see any one of you.
Ma'am, camera on panna எனக்கு net lag ஆகுது.
There are so many aspects which is related to marketing feasibility. Okay, so in that, number one is target market. Okay, target market is nothing but the group of customers that the business has decided to aim. Okay, so they try to make or give any marketing effort towards those group of customers. Okay, see, if you talk about, if you take any example, for example, if you consider Adidas, okay, Adidasல வந்து they are mainly targeting on sports people. Okay, you can find different variety of shoes for different sports. Okay, for football, if you take, there are different shoe you can find it. For hockey, there is a different shoe. For general running purpose, there is a different shoe, right? So there are different shoes. ஸ்போர்ட்ஸ் செக்மெண்ட்லேயே எடுத்துக்கிட்டிங்கன்னா, அடிடாஸில் எடுத்துக்கிட்டிங்கன்னா, there are different especially manufactured shoes for different purposes, right? So to whom are they going to concentrate? It is very important. Who is their target market? Okay, so the well-defined target market அப்படிங்கிறது is a first element of marketing strategy. You can say that it's a first element in the marketing strategy. Okay, what are the marketing mix variables அப்படின்னு பார்த்தோன்னா, it is a product, place, promotion, price are the four elements of marketing mix strategy, and that is the one will going to determine the success of the product in the marketplace. So that is the one will be deciding about the success of the product in the marketplace. And another aspect which is related with this marketing feasibility is market segmentation. So segmentation, in the name itself you will very well understand how the company is going to categorize the customer, right? So like how they are going to categorize it. See, even the shoes for sports purpose, is that for girls or boys? Okay, is that for a specific sport like cricket, or is that for hockey, or is that for football? So that is a different, so each purpose has its own different product, right? So they are going to categorize the customers, and accordingly they are going to manufacture the product and target the people. And then the determination of market share, even determining the market share is one of the aspect related to marketing feasibility. Okay, so this can be done only by estimating the total demand and estimating the total market share of the organization. So what are all there are different techniques in which the company can forecast the demand for the product, right? So what are the ways in which they can forecast the demand for the product? By collecting so many data, by getting the expert opinion, by collecting the primary data, and by doing the trend analysis, by doing the correlation analysis, and by collecting some secondary data, they'll be able to forecast the they'll be able to collect the data which helps the company to forecast the demand for the product. Okay, so these are all the aspects which is related to the uh, marketing feasibility. Okay, so marketing அப்படிங்கிறது it's very essential for the business. And sales அப்படிங்கிறது நீங்க எடுத்துக்கிட்டீங்கன்னா, it is a direct interface among the customers and product offered by the company, whereas marketing is an indirect function between the so to determine the suitability of the product, okay, to the customer, and with that the company is able to make good profit. Okay, so this is all about the marketing feasibility. I just about marketing in next class. Okay, what are all the techniques we use for marketing feasibility, all that we'll discuss in the next class. Okay,
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.